In this video, I'm going to show you how you can validate and start a dropshipping business in 2026 with AI in less than a day. So if you're a person looking to start their first brand online and sell products, this video is for you because the old way of doing dropshipping is dead. Today, AI lets you do more than just post content. It gives you the power to expand your brand, launch your own dropshipping store, and put the exact products your audience craves right in front of them. The tool we're covering today is called Doba Pilot. It's an AI agent built specifically for dropshipping. Instead of clicking through menus, sourcing products manually, or spending hours or days writing lists, you just type what you need in a chat interface and Doba executes it. Connect your Shopify or BigCommerce store, find winning products, generate full listings, all through conversation. It's currently in beta, which means you can get in early and unlock exclusive bonuses. Before we get into the demo, the first thing I want you to do right now is go down to the description and the pinned comments, click the link, and go to ai.doba.com. Start any Doba plan, free trials count. You'll unlock 200 plus monthly AI credits as an exclusive beta bonus. It takes 2 minutes to get set up. Do that now and follow along with me. Here's what watching to the end is going to solve for you. If you're trying to launch or grow a dropshipping business, there are 3 problems I see stopping people before they ever make their first sale, and Doba Pilot solves all 3 of them. Problem 1, manual sourcing takes forever. Most people have no idea how to spend hours searching through product databases, check their margins, or compare suppliers. I'm going to show you how Doba Pilot finds winning products for you in seconds. Just tell it what you're looking for and it handles the rest. Problem 2, setting up your store is a full weekend project. Connecting suppliers, configuring settings, getting everything set up with your platform kills your momentum before you make a single sale. I'm going to show you how Doba launches or connects your Shopify or BigCommerce store in minutes directly through the chat. Problem 3, writing product listings is tedious and time consuming. Title, description, SEO pricing is all inside of Doba for every single project. I'm going to show you how Doba Pilot auto-generates publish-ready listings from a single chat command, so you can go from 0 products to a fully stocked store in 1 session. For those new here, I'm the avatar of John Kelly, one of the minds behind Digital Creator AI. We built this channel from scratch and just hit 100K plus. What we do here is help creators, solopreneurs, and anyone building an online brand master the best AI tools, workflows, and strategies to grow every step of the way. If that sounds like you, make sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications. So once you log into Doba Pilot, this is the UI that you're going to see. It's very similar to ChatGPT or any other LLM. You have your prompt input box here in the center where you type out your prompt to interact with the agent. And to the left, you have your chat history. You have the My AI Pick section and the My AI Listing section. Over here to the right, you're going to see the credits that you have for your Shopify agent and for your BigCommerce agent. You also have your profile here. If you hover over that, you can see your Doba, your listings, your stores, and your store orders. Here in the center below the prompt input box, you're going to see some quick starts, basically some prompts that you can start using right away to start testing out Doba and seeing what it can do. For example, let's check this one out here. If we click view, we can see an example prompt here. It says pick the best selling products priced under $100 with at least 15% profit margin. Here we can see Doba's responses and the product matches that it made. If we click view details, over here to the right, we'll see the product selection list that it gave the user. So now let's try one of these prompts out. I like this one here. I think it's perfect for beginners. It says create a new Shopify store for me to start my dropshipping business. I'm going to click on try a similar ask. And now it's added the prompt here. So let's come over to the enter option. Let's hit enter. Now Doba Pilot is understanding the prompt that we just sent it. Here it's asking us to set up the connection to our store. So Doba Pilot is going to help you set up your store step by step, starting from the basics, like choosing your store's main category. So you can select home, garden and tools, beauty and health, outdoor, clothing, shoes and jewelry, toys, kids and babies, sports, pets, electronics, computers, office supplies. And if you don't know what you want to select, you can just leave it here on don't know, just trending. For now, let's leave it on don't know, just trending. Let's come down here and pick a theme color. So we can either pick a black theme, a green theme, a orange theme, or a blue theme. Let's go with the blue theme. Now we can pick a store banner. Let's pick this store banner. Let's click on next. Now Doba has prompted us to start our free Shopify trial. So it's hand guiding us through the process of getting started. So just click on start your free Shopify trial and sign up for an account with an email. You can get a free store in seconds, and Doba is going to help you continue to populate that. So once you've done that, just click on next. Now you just need to authorize Doba inside of Shopify. So just click the install now option, follow the prompt and install Doba into Shopify. Come down here, click on next. Now, once you have your Shopify set up, you will have a Shopify URL, which you can find down here. You can copy that by clicking on this clipboard, go back to Doba Pilot and enter in your Shopify URL here. Once you've entered your Shopify URL, just click build your store with AI. Once you've selected your store, it's going to help you find products for that store. Here's an example of Doba giving the user a list of different products that they can add to their store. After that, it's going to help you set up your pricing in a way that allows you to make money off of your business. If we scroll down, you'll see that it says use AI to optimize product titles and descriptions. You can either keep the original, you can optimize your titles, or you can optimize your descriptions. Once you're done with that, it's going to add you to execute your listings, and it's going to add the products to your store just like that. So from ideation to finished store, Doba will guide you through the process. One thing to consider is that you do get a free account in Shopify when you register with an email, but to get all the features of Doba working inside of your store, you're going to want to subscribe for the basic Shopify account. Let's say you want to validate your winning products before you even start your store. The beauty of Doba Pilot is that it makes it super simple to do this. Let's try out this prompt here. It says pick best selling products priced under $100 with at least 15% profit margin. So let's hit try similar ask. Here's our prompt. Let's hit enter. Let's wait for Doba Pilot to do its thing. There we can see that it's understood the ask. It says, I understand you want to find best-selling products under $100 with at least 15% profit margin. All right, so just like that, it's found a list of products that have a 15% profit margin that we can start using today. So over here to the right, you'll see the list that it's given us. It's got a mix of different products because really it's just picking the top products. These types of products could be perfect for a beginner with a clean slate. For example, look at this product here. If we click on this landscape design product that I would never have thought to sell or that it would be a trending product, but here we're seeing that it is. So there could be some of you that have always maybe dreamt of starting something like this. Once you see that it's a winning product, you might go all into this business idea. And one of the cool things about these tools and drop shipping and how it's become so easy to start today is that there are a lot of you already creating content, and the niche that you're in maybe has a open opportunity for some of these types of products. And you can get creative with this. For example, if you're somebody that does outdoor content, you can start just using these types of products in your videos and then promoting them with a quick plug or a automation. Let's check out some of the information here on this tab that would be helpful for us. So by clicking this option here, we will be able to send a message to the supplier right away. You can see here at the top that it even gives you the average reply time. Back at the product detail, we have the price, we have the MSRP price. And if you have any questions about what these are, there are these question marks here that you can just hover over that will give you a breakdown of what this information is. It says here, for example, if you're selling on Wayfair, Overstock, or some other similar marketplaces, you can provide your prepaid shipping label to the supplier when placing an order, and the supplier will complete the shipment for you without charging shipping fees. So here you can see the pickup price. Below this, we can see the pickup warehouse. We have the options here to add this to our inventory list. We can download a zip file containing the detailed info of the product, such as images, descriptions, and price, which we can use then to create posts for these products on social media platforms like Instagram. If you throw what's inside that zip file into a tool like ChatGPT, can quickly come up with content. Here you can add it to the cart. I would always suggest purchasing the products you plan on selling, at least one, to see what the product is like. And then here you have the option to list to your store. If we click list to store, you'll see that it gives us an option to pick a store to list this product on. It says currently only supports listing products to Shopify, eBay, BigCommerce, Wix, TikTok Shop, and Walmart, not to other platforms. Below here, you have more information about the product. So the color, the inventory, where it's shipping from, the warehouse, where it's coming from, and the shipping. So it says free shipping to United States. It gives us an estimated time of delivery. It gives us the processing time. And then down at the bottom, we have even more product details. This tool is also perfect for anybody using TikTok Shop. As you can see, it's never been easier to find winning products to start selling with Doba Pilot. Let's say we wanted to select all the products that it gave us. We can click here on Select All and then click on List to Store. Now it's going to list the 50 items to our store. If you look down here, you'll see that it has selected the store. If we scroll down, it says use AI to optimize product titles and descriptions. Let's click on optimize titles, optimize descriptions, both of them, and let's do continue task. So as you can see, it is listing the 50 products. It's giving us an estimated time. So that's going to take about 25 minutes because we packed the store with products. But as you can see, for anyone, this feature of being able to list multiple products at once with optimized titles and descriptions is priceless. Now let's come over to the left menu here and let's click on My AI Picks. And here you're going to see a history of your past selections. So if you ever want to go back and find products that were picked in earlier searches or earlier queries, you'll be able to come here, scroll through this list and just click on View Products, and you can go right back to those products and continue your process of adding them to your store or the research that you're doing. Now let's come over to My AI Listings. With an easy to use tool like this, you might end up listing hundreds of items and have multiple stores. So here you're going to be able to see all of your listings broken down by listing date, by the store, by the status of the current process, and by the listed products. The Doba platform in itself is a great place to check out. I have a whole video dedicated to Doba. I'll be sure to share that up here at the top of this video somewhere, so make sure to go check that out. Hopefully this video has taken you from no store to understanding that you can create a store quickly using Doba Pilot. Also, you can populate that store with winning products that are optimized both in post titles and descriptions, so you get more sales and more reach on your products. Make sure to go visit the links in the description and the pinned comments. Sign up for a free Doba plan and claim the free 200 monthly AI credits that are currently available to beta users. Don't forget that if you want to turn your content into an online business, you're going to need systems. For a limited time, I'm hooking up my viewers with a free Instagram DM and comment automation tool, so you don't have to pay for expensive apps like ManyChat. You'll never miss another comment or DM on Instagram. Plus, I will show you how I use it to get leads while I sleep. If that sounds like something you need, the links are also down in the description. Sign up and let me know what you think. Now, if you're interested in taking your AI generated content to the next level and making sure your hooks, scripts, and copy sound authentic and human, watch the video showing up on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss the next AI tool workflow, and I will catch you all in the next one.